Hey guys, welcome back to Tanner P, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to remove the doors on your Jeep Wrangler, and I'm going to be reviewing a new set of mirrors, so let's get to it. First thing you do before you take the doors off is roll your windows down. So now that they're down, you don't have to worry about breaking or scratching them while the doors are off. So everything you need to remove the doors is in this little Jeep toolkit. I keep mine in my glove box, but wherever it is, get it out. That's all you're gonna need. So all you need to take it off is the ratchet and the biggest size. I'm not sure what size it is, but I just know it's the biggest one of the Torx wrench. So after you've got your windows down, the first thing you do is unplug the power for the automatic locks and the windows, which is right. It's this little wire right here. There's a little cable. You just unplug it. So after you get the cable undone, you're gonna want to undo the little rope thing that keeps your door from swinging out. And once you do that, you can fully take it off. So after you finish unplugging and rolling your windows down, take off the two black bolts, one right there and right there on each door hinge. And you do that on both sides. And after you finish that, you can just lift off on the door. So after you got your bolts out, to keep from losing them, Jeep actually gives you a little spot. Just go up to this latch, lift it. There's 4 holes right there, that's for your roof, and those are the door hinges right there. So now that we've got the bolts in there, there's no way that you're gonna lose them, so you don't have to worry about it. So before you take them off, you're gonna wanna make sure you put some towels down, so when you set them down, they don't screw up the paint. So when you take these off, you really should have 2 people, but I'm gonna try to do it myself. So just open it, grab like this. And lift up. Okay, so we got one off, now it's time to do the second one. Just do the same thing, you just lift up. Just lift it off like that. So we got both the doors off, and to legally drive in the state of Louisiana, you have to have at least 1 mirror on the side of your vehicle, which the problem is the mirrors are on the door, so there's no mirrors on it. So we're going to be installing these quick release mirrors, so let's get to it. So this has been like the first warm day of the year, so I just decided I'm gonna take off the doors, and I'll probably take the freedom panels off too. But yeah, I kind of forgot where I got these mirrors from, but I got them off Amazon, so I'll leave a link. And yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.